Uh, Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss actually what how our stocks are performing. Actually, today is a good day. Actually, we have a good profit day because many of the stocks we discussed uh, they are moving very well because Applovion, we discussed it 2 days back. The result was good. Setup is good. That was flying. So there are the list of stocks I just displayed here. You can go through the stocks. This is a we are buying stocks, and there are some sell stocks. If you are very interested regarding the chart reading, you can continue with this video. Okay. So the one stock we discussed is McDonald's. I was telling about this area 302, which is more 308. You can trade your stop loss, and you can protect your capital. Our target is 320. I might also I told around this area. This is more 2.8 percentage. That's also a good movement, and we can expect around the 200 level. So the other good thing is that now it is a profitable. Now it is a good trade. We can add at this moment with the stop loss moving to this area. So this is the way we have to improve our profits. You understand what I am saying? So we are adding to the winning trade, not to the losing trade. Add to the winning trade. Maybe we stopped out, but it is okay. But we'll continue that way. The next step is APPLOVION. Yeah, it was it's also one of the good trade that we found that there is a good setup, and today's 11 percentage up. I'm very happy. So you can run these stocks. I'm just removing from my list. So already, if you are in profit, just book the profit. Sophie Technologies, it is still in a good setup. You can move the stop loss to this area, and you can run. If you are not didn't take anything in the stocks, or if you didn't buy, you can add this time also. Um, it's a good setup. Yeah, it's working very well. We are expecting a target here. You can move the stop losses now to cost, or if it is consolidating here tomorrow, you can add also, and so you are actually increasing your profit. And if you're the adding also, we will keep a target so we can move the target to here. So when it reaches the here itself, you are already in profit. Okay. It was a sell stock of stocks, but it is. I'm not sure whether it's work or not, but it is showing some momentum here. So I will probably, if I'm in a profit, I will exit with some profit. So I'm removing the stocks. TripAdvisor, it's moved to yeah, it is moving, it is working, but it is moved this level. So I don't know if someone has hit the stop loss. Anyway, the target will keep around 15.14. Yeah, it's okay at the moment. It is in the right path. Yeah, it's a good stock. If you are someone put target, I would have hit the target anyway. Yeah, it's a good stock. Means it is give some returns to us. I'm accepting because it's someone is maybe hit the target. I don't. It's something. If you are keeping, you can keep it. You can move the stop loss to here or somewhere. It's not an issue. So will not be hit very hard. Also, I'm removing so because of the target achieved. I hope I will remove this stop because it's not working very well. Maybe it will come to this level, but I am not sure. It is a good setup actually. It is a bullish setup. Teams, yeah, there is a big negative candle here. So I'm expecting this level, so we'll keep, and we can move the stop loss to this area from here to this area. So we are safe. If you hit the stop loss also, it won't affect too much. If you just move this area, and if it is piercing this trend means the moving average, you can add more, and you can move to this area. Walmart, it's already moved a bit. I'm removing this one. I think I explained it is very late, and after that it was very moving. Ultra Beauty, yeah, it's a negative. It's a low risk. That's the setup, low risk. So we can move the stop loss here now. So if you have hit the target, that then it is good. Apple last 2 days was its very good profit. You can add more if you are in profit. You can it will reach 237, I believe, but it may take time. It may over a period of time it will reach there. Okay, Apple I am keeping, Alta I am keeping, Hood. It's a good setup. If it is breakout, it will move up. It's a very risky means it is risky because if you are keeping stop loss here, it is very risky. Just keep here the stop loss. There is a high chance to hit the stop loss sometimes, but it is low risk setup at the moment. Um, Axon already moved, so I'm removing this from my list. Corrado, it is a good setup because it's moved a little bit. Yeah. Anyway, it's a chance to move 140 level. Okay. I'm not sure if it were. Yeah, I think it is buy stocks. Anyway, I'm not remember whether I put in my group or I discussed it last time. Anyway, I'm removing at this moment because of the confusion. Marvel, it is nice setup at the moment. Keep the stop loss here. Keep target here 88. So it's a good setup. Yeah, stop loss here, trend line, support of the moving averages, and good result, everything. So keep Marvel, CCL. It's a setup. I don't know. It is in a high position or above all moving average uptrend. It's because of this level. Sometimes move here, here. This level there is some selling pressure. That's only the reason I am keeping for the short trade. Stop loss here. Stop loss hit, exit. No question. So it was sell stocks, but there is some trend line this level, um, this area. So it is supporting this trend line. So I'm not sure. So I'm exiting BSX. Okay. Um, there is negative candle. There is a selling pressure. I believe it's a sell. You can sell. There is some clear signal at the moment for the sell. We'll look for the 50-minute chart also. Mm, 50 minutes chart doesn't look, it's a sell at the moment. So what we'll do is that if it is moving up, not sell. If it is moving down only, we will sell. I think it is very bullish. Continue always respecting this trend line. So no, not a stock at the moment. So I'm exiting from this one. Just stocks. Just look at the daily chart. It's a good setup. Result um, next week. If it is result is bad, it will come definitely to here. So only small quantity. If you are, I believe the setup is coming, but still there is some negative trend also. Overall negative. Um, not in the setup only this means it's a good setup, but its overall trend is negative. So I will advise not to take this trade. It looks like negative to me. Small stop loss, target of at least here. 1:1 is definitely fit the target. The second target is this level 84. So small risk, high reward, but we'll check the result report was also there is some revenue creation, but we didn't go through the details of the uh, this one. Anyway, so these are the updates. In the future, I will come with what are the trades I am taking, how I am keeping my portfolio, how I am position sizing. All the details I will discuss later in one of the videos, and definitely we'll keep the our trading diary and everything. So we will discuss everything. Gradually, small steps will reach the higher. That's our plan. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Please share, subscribe. We can make a community. We can discuss the stocks. That's all. we want to make some money from these stock markets. This is very risky game. There is a high chance of losing also. So we'll lose the money only when we were not following our disciplines. Discipline is the important things in this. Okay.